Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Vans Tarot, and this is your love and work forecast for Sagittarius. Yes, friends, for the month of August, your love and work forecast for Sagittarius. If your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Sagittarius, this reading is for you. If you know a Sagittarius, you can cross watch it for them. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share. Join us on Instagram, friends, as Magic Vans Tarot to join. To buy a personal reading, visit our website, friends, www.magicvenstero.com. And friends, make sure to watch out the August pick a card readings. I have already done that in Hindi, Urdu, and also in English version, so you can watch that. Link is in the timestamps. So let us see, Sagittarius, how this month is going to be for you. Let us see, Sagittarius, what is happening in the month of August for you. And I hope, how are you all doing, friends? Here we are in a flood-like situation. I know this year is crazy, after nothing, not even one day goes and, something or the other is happening. But, that's how things are. Things are speeding up. And we are safe, yeah, but there's a lot of flooding happening around us, and power and internet issues are happening. I hope you guys are safe. We are safe, yes, and we hope it will resolve soon, these power and these flooding issues. So let's see, Sagittarius, how your theme of the month, what is the theme of the month for Sagittarius? Family is very, very important for you, Sagittarius. August is the month of family. August is also the month where new additions to your family may happen, like you may have a dog, you may get a new pet, or your pets may have babies, or you may have a baby, a childbirth, or somebody in the family may have a childbirth, or someone may get married also. So this month is about family. This month is also about a lot of financial inheritances, financial security, prosperity, a lot of property, money, all things related to family. The fourth house, and also the eighth house, they are very, very important, like inheritances, family properties, legal issues, new birth, expansion of your family, security, spending time with family, and even who else you consider your family, like your friends, your colleagues. Who are they? They are your extended family, right? So that is what is important to you this month. Also, the King of Cups, you are very emotional, Sagittarius. This is an emotional month for you. It is also like you are becoming emotionally mature, or you are developing some sort of a new emotional security in your life. So yes, an emotional month for you, a roller coaster. Get ready, Sagittarius. This is a roller coaster month for you. Theme of the month for Sagittarius, Page of Pentacles. Yes, money is very important for you. I do feel you will be having this is a busy month for you, Sagittarius. So you want to slow it down. You are like, I'm tired, I need a break. And Sagittarius have a lot of power. They are always full of energy, they are always full of happiness, happy energy, happy go lucky energy. But this month you are like, I need some time for myself. Where is time going? Because you're busy at work, Sagittarius. There is a lot of work on your plate, and you might have a new contract, a new project, or you might have additional projects, like you're working but you get second job, or you get two positions and you have extra work. So although this is an excellent month for you, but there is a lot of workload on for you. Also, you have a lot of family responsibilities, like you have to travel for towards family, meet them for a wedding, for a housewarming, or you are having a housewarming, a childbirth, a wedding, something like that. So there is work, there is family that you need to balance. Also, Sagittarius, you want things to be a little slow in this month. You are like, why is time so running fast? Why can't it be slow? Slow down, baby. So that is what you want, Sagittarius. Like, oh, why can't things be a little slow? And you could be dealing with a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person, or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces this month. Yes, yes, again, see, a busy month. Eight of Wands, busy, busy, busy communications, lots of communications. Yes, a lot of communications, lot of ideas, lot of people are important. This is a busy month for you, Sagittarius, so get ready. This is a roller coaster of love and luck. This is a roller coaster of happiness for you, Sagittarius, this month. So let us see your love life, Sagittarius. Who? That's your own energy. Queen of Wands, Ten of Wands, Five of Wands. Okay, Sagittarius, Two of Cups, Strength, Queen of Swords. Oh, Ace of Cups, King of Swords, Interesting. The Star, the Six of Pentacles, the Ace of Pentacles, and the Three of Pentacles and Eight of Pentacles. Oof. I do feel, friends, you might have a choice in love, Sagittarius, especially if you're really single. You will definitely be confused between two people this month, or there are two people coming for you or trying to win you, because this is a people oriented month for you, or like you like somebody but your family likes somebody else. So that could be the two energies, like you like somebody but your family wants you to marry or date somebody else. So that energy of contrast is there. So, when you start the first week of August, you are feeling a bit of confusion. You are a bit frustrated, Sagittarius. And it feels because this frustration is coming because you are busy at work. You don't have much time to focus on your love life or on your partner or even on your own personal needs. So you are a bit frustrated. You are like, why is this happening? Why is there so much workload that I can't even focus on my own personal needs? Forget about my love life. I can't even take care of my own self. It's like I don't have time to sit and have a cup of tea or take a shower. And this person is like, why you don't talk to me? I feel like your person may be fighting with you or arguing with you, your lover, your soulmate, husband, wife, whoever this is. There is some sort of a fight or argument going within you or in a relationship in the first week of August, but I don't feel it will affect your mood because you are very powerful. Your focus is on the right things, and you are looking very good also. So although you are a little frustrated or angry in the first week, but it will not affect you much because your focus is on your work, and you are striding, you are doing well in your work. So people will appreciate that, that you are looking good, you are doing great, and you will also be happy with that. Also, someone who was there is a person who was actually keeping you in, I don't know how to say this, keeping you in confusion, like they keep giving you mixed signal. That person will try to message you in the first week and you will get a little angry on them. You are like, why is this person keeps doing the same things? Let's see the second week. The second week is a much better week, and finally, things start to flourish in your love life. Things start to develop. There is romance, there is passion. Your person starts to open up emotionally to you. If you are really, really single, Sagittarius, get ready. A proposal is coming, and buy those clothes because you're gonna need it for a happy, happy date. And yes, your relationships are very strong, Sagittarius, so you can count on them. Also, if you are married in the second week, there could be like you guys taking your vows again. It could be your marriage anniversary, or you guys going on a second honeymoon, or planning a baby or something in the second week. So it is a hot, passionate, lovey-dovey kind of a week for you. And also, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is important for you. I do feel that this week will be very nice for you, Sagittarius, because you are clear on what you want. Communications are very clear between you and your partner. There is love, there is time, and you will be, if there was some blocks affecting your love life or relationship, the second week will remove those blocks. All that was affecting, the difference of opinion, the difference of timing, schedule, long distance, that will be resolved in the second week. Let's see your third week of August. So, in the third week of August, yes, love is definitely shining bright for you. There is romance, there is passion, and it is a renewed connection for you. And yes, you will feel like you have won a battle. You have won finally after a long, long time. For some of you, this could be a new marriage proposal coming your way, like you already have somebody but another person is trying to win you also. So that is there. And yes, in the third week, it's a magical, dreamy and romantic week for you. There is a lot of romance, there is a lot of creativity also. You may have long night talks with your person. You will feel very connected to them, they are very connected, and there is harmony, there is like peace in the third week. And it's like it has come after a long, long wait, Sagittarius, so you're feeling very happy about it. So let's see the final week. Oh wow. Yes, I do see that somebody might propose you in the final week for marriage, for commitment, or you might buy a home or property to move in together, or they might give you some gold coins or something related with gold, diamonds, like as a promise of their love or commitment towards you. And yes, your person will spend more time together. You both will take more time from your work, from your family to spend together with yourself. And I do see that you are still very busy, Sagittarius. You will still have to manage your routine, but your person will definitely will sweep you off your feet because you have the Ace of Cups and the Ace of Pentacles. So there is commitment coming your way. And yes, this is a destined commitment. This is something that was due to come your way since a very, very long time. I feel like this person, or you were destined to get this proposal, this marriage proposal, or whatever gift that's coming in the fourth week for you. It was destined for you, Sagittarius, some months back, like in December last year, or in January this year, but it never happened then. So it is going to come your way. This happiness in love, this commitment, this moving in together. Great energy, Sagittarius. A roller coaster of love, definitely. Let's see what is your advice for love. Transformation, big changes are coming, Sagittarius. There are big changes coming for you in your love life. Also, your partner is changing, I feel, Sagittarius. Whoever you are, if they were behaving immaturely, or if they were not open to your love or emotions, or if there was fighting going on, you can expect some change in your partner. Discontent and boredom. Yes, I do feel that if some of you are unhappy in a relationship, there are more choices coming your way. So you will have choice in a partner, and it's up to you what you want to change, whether it is your partner you want to change, or whether you want to change the dynamics in a relationship, or you want to change if you're lovers, you want to change that into couples, married couples, wedded couples. Crown chakra, listen to your intuition, friends. Your intuition knows what you want. Your intuition also knows, it is guiding, what you need to do in your love life. So listen to your intuition. Let us see your work and career. Oh my god, that's amazing. None of the cards are reversed, but this came out in reverse. So triumph in reverse. It is like, the universe, partnerships and alliances. Temptation. This is exactly what I was telling you. This is a little, although things are working very fast, but this is like, things are also a little slow at, you will have to slow things down in your work because things are moving at a very, very fast pace for you, Sagittarius. So you will have to consciously slow or keep the pace in a balanced way. Otherwise, this month can be very busy for you, work and career. You can be very, very busy. For some of you, there will be delays in travel due to the world situation. If you are planning to travel somewhere, I'm sorry to say, but you will not be able to do that. Or there might be delays in traveling related to work or studies. There might be delays in those travels, or you might not be able to travel because of the world situation. But it is a good thing, friends. It is saving you a lot of time or a lot of something bigger, So don't worry, the delays are working in your favor. What else? Also, friends, your ambition is very high. You will feel like a workaholic this month, Sagittarius. You are very ambitious. You are working a lot. You are earning a lot also. So, try and take some time out to relax and try to take some time to sleep also because I feel like you will constantly work, 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 work in August. And don't worry about the delays because I feel mid of the month or by the end of this month, there will be movement coming in your work, love, career. You will be able to change your job, your career, your home, office, etc. There will be a positive momentum coming in your work and career. And if you are not able to travel, you will be able to travel by the mid of this August or the end of August. Universe, yes, I do feel, friends, you have to keep an open mind about your work and career, Sagittarius, especially if you are a student. You will feel more connected to environment, energy, all these kind of areas, spirituality, Reiki, and all these kind of areas. So you will feel very connected to the world, to its changes, to what is happening in the world, the new things. You will feel very excited about them. And some of you may be working with a global company, or you may start working on a global project like social welfare, environment, clean energy. These are all global issues, clean energy. women empowerment, child safety, all those kind of things, partnerships and alliances. Yes, I do feel right kind of people, right support will be coming your way, Sagittarius. So you will have a lot of support in your love, work, and career. And a lot of people are, so delays are actually working so that you can have more support in your career and money sector. So don't worry about the delays. And if you are a student, the temptation to not study will be very high, friends. I'll be very, very honest here. To not study, you will feel like you don't have to study. You already know the course. You will have a temptation to, someone. You may fall in love with somebody, and you will be tempted to not study and just talk with them. Don't do those things, friends. It will cost you. Your luck is very good, so don't waste it. This time, please don't. Let us see your advice. Mother, Father, God. Yes, this is a very powerful month for you. Sagittarius, look at that. Your mother, your father, both are very important to you. Family, again, is very important. Also, what is spirituality? Those things. Why are you on earth? What is your destiny? Those kind of things are also very important to you. Harmony and resolution. Yes, peace is coming in your family. If you were going through legal issues or um, arguments in your love or family situation, harmony is coming. And look at that spiritual growth. You are growing spiritually, Sagittarius. Yes, this month is about your spiritual growth, and this is a very powerful month for you. Let's see what else will happen. I do feel there is a change of plans for you, Sagittarius. Like you want to travel, you have your tickets booked, but you can't. Tiger, doing something risky, taking a chance. Yeah, you are very, risk taking, very ambitious when it comes to your work. Marriage, yes, some of you will be getting married. Some of you may actually expand your marriage to childbirth. First, pay attention to your finances. You will be taken care of in a difficult situation. Rooster, someone will gossip all your secrets. Be careful of people who talk a lot. You're gonna win. A victory is coming in some situation. Be aware of greed. Yes, you are a workaholic, Sagittarius. Don't try to do that too much. Some family sorrow may happen, like you lose a family property, or you are upset about something, like you lose a house pet or something like that. Kangaroo, unsettled times, need to plan ahead. Lion, yes, time to act. You are the lion. Take charge. Financially, I think your money situation is good, friends, in August, but you may feel like spending too much. Hard work ahead. Yes, it's a busy month. Kite, a vacation. Yes, some of you are planning for a vacation or a holiday or for a marriage trip or family trip in the month of August, but it may get delayed because of the world situation. But don't worry, it is happening because of a reason. September is important. Yeah, so you may plan in August, but you may actually go in September. Lightning, control your anger or you'll be sorry. Yeah, you will have to control your anger, friends. Also, your desire to work too hard. So that's it for now, Sagittarius. Subscribe, like, and share. Join us on Instagram. To buy a personal reading, visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye bye.